boys and girls. Today we're going to be talking about the letter G. G is another one of our consonants, which means it just makes one sound. G says G. G says G. We're going to start out with a little video about the letter G. I want you to listen for those G, G sounds in the video and the little story they make in the video. And then we're going to practice writing our G's, talk a little bit more about the letter and its sound, and find some pictures that start with that sound.
This is the letter G. You can call it a big G or a capital G. There's also small g, but I like to call it a lowercase g. Here are some words that start with the letter G. Girl, giraffe, gorilla, green grapes, gate, guitar, gingerbread. Let's put the words into a story. One day, a girl went to visit a zoo. She really wanted to visit a giraffe and a gorilla. The giraffe was standing behind a big gate. The tall giraffe was eating green grapes. The girl walked over the hill and saw the gorilla. The gorilla was playing a guitar to a bunch of gingerbread kids. The gingerbread kids loved to dance. The end.
All right, I hope you heard some of those G, G, G words in that story. I heard several. There's one on our alphabet card here too. G, G, goat starts with the letter G. Here we have an uppercase G and a lowercase g. Both make the sound G, G. Let's see if you remember our alpha friend for the letter G. Here she is. Does anybody remember her name? Her name is Gertie Goose. Gertie and Goose start with the letter G. Her body and her wing are in the shape of a lowercase g. And if you flip her over, you can still kind of picture that lowercase g, even though you can't see it now, how she's curved into that shape. So Gertie Goose starts with a G, just like goat. You need to get out your G paper, and we're going to go back over and review how to write the letter G, upper and lowercase. So I'll give you a minute to get this paper out, get your name on the top. You're going to need a pencil, and then you're going to need crayons to finish the second part. You're going to do that on your own after we talk about it. All right, let's practice writing the letter G. I want you to watch me do uppercase G first, okay? So eyes on me. For uppercase G, we go big curve C, up to the middle line, across to the left, leave some space. I don't go all the way across, there's a little space. Let's trace that and say it together. Big curve G, up to the middle line, across to the left, leave some space. Let's make some uppercase G's on our own. Big curve G, up to the middle line, across to the left, leave some space. Big curve G, up to the middle line, across to the left, leave some space. All right, we're going to fill up that row with uppercase G's. We're going to come down and do lowercase g's. Lowercase g is one of my favorite letters to write because it has that little curved tail underneath it. I like all the letters that have a tail. So it comes down below the bottom line. So for lowercase g, we go around like a C, down, hook left. So you start at the middle line and it comes down past the bottom line. Around like a C, down, hook left. Around like a C, down, hook left. Round like a C, down, hook left. For lowercase g. Lowercase g and uppercase g both make that G, G sound that you hear in G, G, gorilla. Alright, I'm going to tell you the names of these pictures down below, and then you're going to go back on your own and you're going to color all the pictures that have that G, G sound. If it does not have a G sound at the beginning, you are not going to color it. You can put an X on those pictures if you want to, so you make sure not to color them. So you're going to color only the pictures that start with the G sound. Here are the names of your pictures. You have glue, goat, turtle, gorilla, moon, gum, rainbow, goose, and guitar. You're only going to color those where you hear that g sound. And you can color the gorilla at the top too, because that does have a G sound at the beginning, doesn't it? So find all your other G pictures, color them. You can put an X on your pictures that do not have a G, and then we will, hopefully next week, we'll be back in school and we'll keep reviewing our letters there. See you then.